let's go and look at regression 2. Remove one outlier and find the approximate value of the linear correlation coefficient. When you go to make your rectangle of best fit around your data points, you're going to find that one of the points just sticks out, doesn't fit with the others. That's your outlier, or two of them, and it'll be your two outliers. I'm going to start with my rectangle. I'm going to click on my A point, start it there, rotate it about the A, then I'm going to drag it up through the J. The stretching tool, drag it up through the J. I'm looking at points that are far apart. Can I get the C and the J, or maybe the E and the J? I'm going to translate the shape, maybe through the C. I can't get the C, the J, and the E, but I can probably do the E and the J just fine. I'm going to rotate it, it's passing through the J, and then bring it back to the A and resize. Can I get the A and the H on the same line? If I can, that's even better. Without adjusting the angle, I'm getting the E and the J and the F and the H and all of that. I'm just going to stretch this so it's going through the J and the E, which is what I'm after. I need to stretch it a little bit more to get through the B. We have all the points except for I. I is our outlier. That's I. The intensity is the correlation coefficient. R is positive. That's 1.8, and that's 8.62. 1 minus 1.8 over 8.62. 8.62 with an equals in front of it. That gives us 0.791. That is moderate. Then we press answer to see if it's right.
Yay.
And it's right. Let's try one quick one. I'm going to start with my rectangle on the A, stretch it out, rotate it so it's going through the G. If I put the lower point on the A like that, I think I can probably rotate it so it's getting the B and the G at the same time. Unfortunately, it's not getting the C. Now I'm looking at the B and the F. If I put the point on B, looks like D is going to be my outlier. I'm ignoring that. I'm going to rotate it so it's going through F. Those are pretty far apart. That's probably what I'm after. I'm going to bring that back through the A, and I almost have all the points. I just have to stretch it a little bit to get the G, stretch it to get the G, and just a little tiny bit to get the C. We have all the points except for D. D is our outlier. The intensity, the correlation coefficient is 0.86 over 7.43, but it's negative. It has a negative slope. It's negative in front of 1 minus the small dimension, or the width is 0.86. 0.86 divided by the large dimension, or the length, 7.43. 7.43, and that gives us 0.88, which is strong. And our outlier is D. And then we press answer to see if we're right. All right, and that's it for level 5. Have a good day.